Salutation to the God. Salutation to the God. Except God is nothing according Gita. According Gita, supreme spiritual book. Gita, the meaning of Gita is supreme spiritual, supreme spiritual book. That is Gita. This is very famous in the world. Very famous in the world. Gita. According Gita, we all can change into the God. We all, we of the world, human being, we all can change, can be capable to change into God according Gita. On Gita or within Gita, there has described, there has said three poisons, three great panacea, and the symptom of the God, means conclusion of the God. Three matters, three things, three conclusions we can get from Gita. From Gita, which is a topmost spiritual book of the world. There we can get, we all can get the way of three meanings, three conclusions of the whole things. One about poisons. Poisons are three. And a great panacea. Great panacea means medicine. Great medicine. And the third, direct system, direct symptoms, direct symptoms of the God. About the poison are three according Gita. Poison are three according Gita. One poison among three, that is the version that, the saying that one day I have to die. One day I should die. This is the saying of proudy. This is the saying of proudness. Because body belongs of the proudness of the bodies. So the version, the saying happens, one day I should die, one day I will die. This is the version. This is the first poison. This thinking, this type of thinking is the first poison according Gita. And the second poison according Gita, the version or the saying is that I am different from the God. I am not God. I am always different from the God. God different, I different. Different, different. Such feeling, such mind feeling, such feeling is second poison. Such feeling is a second poison among three poisons. And third poison, according to Gita, uh, the saying, the version is that uh, actually I don't who I am. Who I am, I don't know. Ignorance about own self. Ignorance. No knowledge about own. This is ignorance. Ignorance is third poison, according to Gita. So the poisons are three. One, feeling death, feeling die. This is the feeling of proudy. This is the feeling of proudness, one poison. Second poison, God different, I different. Different, different. I am not God. I am different from God. Such thinking. This is second poison, according to Gita. And the third poison is that the version, the saying, is that actually I don't know who I am. Actually I don't know about who I am. I don't know. This is third poison, according to Gita. Uh, so we should hate poisons because should go on the hell. If we take poisons suddenly, at once, quickly, we should go on hell. So we want great panacea, is a great medicine. According to Gita, um, three great panaceas, one of them is I am soul. Soul I am. The soul is immortal. Always, by hook and crook, by any way, I am soul, immortal soul. This is the first great panacea, great medicine. And second medicine is that no difference in between God and me, no difference between God and me, God and I, same. God, I, God, no difference. So, I am God. This is the second great panacea. This is the great panacea that I am God. I am not different from the God. Same. I am immortal. I am soul. Soul is God. God I am. So no different in between God and me. Actually I am God. This is the second great panacea according to Gita of the world. And the third great panacea means a great medicine. The third, that is I know who I am. I know I am God. I know clearly. I have no doubt. No doubt I have. I am knowledge. Actually, I am knowledge of God, fully God. So I have knowledge. So I have no ignorance. Only I have knowledge of a pure intelligence about the eternal, about the immortal. I know. No confusion to me. I have no confusion. I have knowledge, full of knowledge. This is third great panacea. And the conclusion that is God. In conclusion also, three symptoms. One, I am with the pure experience of the God. Always I am with the pure experience of the God. Pure experience, always. And second, being God, due to God, always enlightenment, always light inside, always light is lighting, always, continuously, no break, because I am God, the second symptom. And third, due to God, I am always with the pleasure. I am always with the pleasance, pleasure, same. I am always with pleasure, according these three symptoms of the God. Pure experience always, self enlightenment always, and pleasure always. Always a pleasure. This is the right symptoms of the God, which I have, because I am God. God I am. This is the conclusion. So, according these descriptions, the formula to be changed into God 3 by 3. 3 by 3. 3, 3, 3. Equivalent 9. 3, 3, 3. Equivalent 9. First 3 poisons, uh, according feeling proudy, feeling of always death, and the second, I am different from God. Second, poison. The third, I have ignorance. I don't know actually who I am. Third poison. 1, 2, 3. And second 3, great panacea, great medicines. I am actually soul. I am actually God, immortal God. Second, no different in between me and God, same. And the third, I have knowledge, sufficient knowledge about the God, no ignorance. This is third panacea. And last 3, pure experience, pure enlightenment, pure pleasure. From this 3 by 3 formula to convert into the God. So we all means children, youngs, aged, we all human being. Actually our position is God. Today, this lesson for us, the best lesson for us today. Today means according Nepali date, that is 2081, month Bhadra, Bhadra 13, the day Thursday. according English date 2024, month August 29th, today, Thursday, according Hinduism, that is Bhadra, Bhadra Krishna Paksha Ekadashi, Aja Ekadashi, today Guruvar, uh, Brihaspativar today. Now we are listening from Balaram Jishi, titles Advait Pradip Saraswati, President of Akhanda Sukha Kendra from Nepal country, from Nepal Bhairava city. And we are telling through radios, FM, Rupandey FM from Nepal Bhairava, from Radio Parashi, from Srinagar FM, from Butol Mukti FM. Now, through the media, we are listening and telling about our actual nature, that is God. Now the time is ending. Hari Om Tat Sat.